Whenever we talk about Northeastern NITs, NIT Silchar is undoubtedly the best among them. It was ranked 10th among all NITs in last year's NIRF ranking. So we're taking a look at their placement in today's video. So let's get started. So here I am at their official website and they have provided this placement summary for different branches, MBA, MSc and MTech. You can see out of 590 BTech students, 461 were eligible and 537 total job offers were made and 397 individual students got placed, which makes it 86.12% of BTech placement. And let's take a look at department wise. You can see in civil engineering the percentage was 77.52, in mechanical engineering it was 74, in electrical engineering it was 75, in EC it was 97, in CSE it was 106.49. This includes more than one offer, that's why more than 100%. In electronics and instrumentation 86%, in MBA 86, and in MSc 38, and in MTech only 13%. So that is pretty poor. So they have also provided a detailed statistics, so let's take a look at that. So here they have provided all the organization name and how many students they recruited from which department and how much was the CTC. So I have highlighted as usual the major companies like Goldman Sachs offered 22 LPA and 1 CS BTech guy got placed. They have also provided which was pool placement, like this one was pool at NIT Agartala campus. Let's move on. L&T Heavy Engineering, 3 mechanical engineering guys got placed, and in L&T ECC 6.27 LPA they offered, 21 civil engineering guys, 2 mechanical engineering, 1 electrical engineering, and 3 PPOs replacement offer were made to civil engineering guys. Let's move on. Let's take a look at Wipro. 6.5 LPA they offered, 2 civil engineering, 2 mechanical engineering, 2 EE, 13 EC, 4 CSE, 8 EI. That makes 38 total, out of which PPOs were 1 from EC, 4 from CSE. There's Oracle Financial Service 6.4 LPA, mechanical engineering 2, electrical engineering 1, ECE 2, CSE 2, and 1 from CSE MTech. Let's move on. HSBC. In HSBC 7 LPA, 6 EC guys, 4 CSE guys, 2 electronics and instrumentation guys, that is 12. In IBM 4.1 LPA, 9 EE, 8 EC, 1 CSE, 7 EI, and 2 from CSE MTech. Infosys 3.6 LPA, 14 civil engineering, 25 mechanical engineering, 5 electrical engineering, 2 ECE, 2 CSE, 2 EI, 1 from Mathematics MSc and 2 from CSE MTech. Bajaj Electricals only 2 from Marketing MBA. Tata Motors 6 LPA, 2 from Mechanical Engineering, 2 from Electrical Engineering. Let's move on. Reliance Jio 5.5 LPA, 3 from EE, 9 from EC, 1 from CS, 3 from EI. ITC Infotech 1 from Mechanical Engineering, 4 from Electrical Engineering, 4 from EC, 4 from CSE, 3 from Electronics and Instrumentation. If you look at the MTech placement, there's DNA, means Design and Manufacturing, under Mechanical Engineering. 1 got placed in Merit Nation. Thermal 2 got placed in Cummins. So this one is also Design and Manufacturing, 1 got placed. Design and Manufacturing 2 got placed. This one is Transportation, 1 got placed. Let's move on to Samsung R&D. They offered 10.5 LPA and they recruited only 2 CS guy. So there are some other companies also. The number of companies visited was 77, including the pool campuses. So there's Gammon India 3.5 LPA, result is outstanding. Cognizant Kolkata 6.5 LPA, 5 from EC, 4 from CS, 2 from instrumentation. So guys, let's take a look at the total numbers. In civil engineering 113, 89 got placed. In mechanical engineering 110, 91 got placed. So let's take a look at the total statistics. So total number of job offers and total number of job placed. We'll take a look at the total number of job placed. In civil engineering the percentage is 62.92, in mechanical engineering 67.03, in electrical engineering 69.44, in EC 96.62, in CSE 105.19, in EI 81.39, in MBA 96.96, in MSc 38.46, in MTech you can see only 12.60%, which is really poor. So guys, that makes 80.04% BTech placement in NIT Silchar's last year. So if you want to know about placement of any other colleges, please click on the left side of your screen there is a playlist of our college placement, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.